first one said, mine is getting late. The second one said, there are witches in the air. The third one said, I don't care. The fourth one said, let's run, run, run.
The fifth one
Said, it's Halloween fun. Say, it's Halloween fun. Good job. Pumpkin tracing. Trace over the gray curved lines and the pumpkins and the curvy vines. Color the pumpkins orange and green.
This is color.
Okay, where's orange?
This one.
It's yellow.
The orange color.
Ang galing mag-aaral.